Hello, hi everyone. Let's solve this algebraic expression. This nice algebraic expression. So, solution. In our solution to this question, we want to find a plus b plus c. To do that, we have our question ab equals to 50, bc equal to 60, ca equals to 70. Let's call this equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. So here, what I'm going to do is to multiply first these three equations. Equation 1 multiplied by equation 2 multiplied by equation 3. So I'm going to have AB multiplied by BC multiplied by CA equal to 50 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 70. So I'm going to multiply the left hand side together and the right hand side together. So I will have A multiplied by A. I'll get A squared. Then B multiplied by B, I'll get B squared. C multiplied by C, I'll get C squared. That will be equal to this 50 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 70. Then I will have 210,000. So from here, I can rewrite the left hand side as A multiplied by B multiplied by C into bracket power 2 equal to 210,000. Then I will now square root both sides. I will have square root, then square root, such that the square root of the left hand side will negate the square of the expression in the radical. So this cancels with this. So I'll have A, B, C equal to square root of 210,000. 210,000. Now, I will need to simplify this 210,000, the square root of 210,000, to be able to get the value for what we are asked to find. So I can say I'm going to find a factor of 210,000. So I'll do it this way. I have 210,000. So I'll first consider 2. I'll divide it by 2. If I divide it by 2, I'm going to get 105,000. If I go ahead again and divide it by 2, I will have 52,500. Then I'll go ahead and divide again with 2. I will have 26,250. If I divide it by 2 again, 2 divided by 26,250, I'm going to get 13,125. Now 2 is not possible to divide this, otherwise we are going to get remainder, and we want to avoid that. So I'll consider the next factor, which is the prime factor. So dividing 3 by 13,125. So I'll get 43. I'll get 4,375. So likewise for this value, if I try to divide by 3 again, it will not be possible. So I consider the next factor, which is 5. I divide it by 5. So I will have 875. And I'll go ahead and divide it by 5 again. I'll have 175. So 175 can as well divide by 5. So I'm going to have 35. 35 divided by 5, I'll have 7 times. So now I can divide by 7. 7 divided by 7, I'm going to have 1. And now write it as 2 appears 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Okay? And that will be 2 power 4. Multiply by 2 power 4. 3. Multiply by 5 appears 4 times. So I'll have 5 power 4. Likewise, I have 7. Multiply by 7. All these are equal to 210,000. So I can now say that A, B, C equal to square root of 2 power 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 power 4 multiplied by 7. So I will have this to be expressed as 2 power 4 multiplied by, that is square root of 2 power 4 multiplied by square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 5 power 4 multiplied by square root of 7. And this is equal to A, B, and C. So I'll consider this. This gives me 16. Square root of 16 multiplied by square root of 3. This also gives me square root of 6, 2, 5 multiplied by square root of 7. So now I have this to be A, B, C. So square root of 16 is given by 4 multiplied by square root of 3. Then square root of 6, 2, 5 is given by 25 multiplied by square root of 7. So I have this to be A, B, C. And this can be equal to this multiplied by this, that's 4 multiplied by 25. I will have 100. Then I can multiply this together as well. So I'll have square root of 3 multiplied by 7, and this is equal to 100 square root of 21, and this is equal to A, B, C. Need to find the value of A and B and C. The value of A, B, C. I need to find the value of A, B, C. So to do that, I will consider my last expression, which is A, B, C equal to 100 square root of 21. So let's take this one to be equation 4. From this equation 4, I will say A, B into bracket multiplied by C equal to 100 square root of 21. So I know the value of A, B in our given question, which is 50. Now multiply by C equal to 100 square root of 21. So I'll divide both sides by 50. Then I'll have C to be equal to 2 square root of 21. I've gotten the value of C. Then I'll need to find the value of B as well. So to find the value of B, I also have A, B, C equal to 100 square root of 21. So from our A, B, I can write this as B into bracket AC or CA, whichever one it may be called, equal to 100 square root of 21. So CA or AC is given by 70. B multiplied by 70 equals to 100 square root of 21. Now I'll divide both sides by 70. Divide by 70. So I isolate B. So I have B to be equal to, this cancel out with this, and that gives me 10 over 7 square root of 21 as B. Then I also need to find the value of A. I haven't gotten C and B. So for A, I'll go back to equation 4. A, B, C equal to 100 square root of 21. So to get the value of A, I know that BC can be separated as A into bracket BC equal to 100 square root of 21. So our BC is given by 60 equal to 100 square root of 21. So I divide both sides by 60, divide by 60, divide by 60. This cancel out each other. I have A equal to, this is 0, go with this. So I have 10 over 6 square root of 21. And I can as well divide by 2. So 10 divided by 2, I have 5. Then 6 divided by 2, I have 3. So I have A to be equal to 5 over 3 square root of 21. as the value of A. So from here we are asked to find A plus B plus C. So I'll add both values together. So my A is equal to 5/3 square root of 21 plus B 10/7 square root of 21 plus C is equal to 2 square root of 21. So I have to add the right hand side. So I have from here 20 square root of 21 to be common. So square root of 21, I have 5/3 plus 10/7 plus 2 all into bracket square root of 21. A plus B plus C. So if I simplify this, I will have 5/3 plus 10/7 plus 2/1 square root of 21. So this and this multiply by this. So we have the denominator to be given by 21. So 5 multiplied by 7, I have 35. 3 multiplied by 10 give me 30. So this multiplied by this, so I have plus 42 into bracket square root of 21, and this is equal to this plus this give us 65. 65 plus 42, I'll have 107 over 21, then square root of 21, and this is equal to A plus B plus C. Which gives us our final value, which we are required to find. A plus B plus C equals to 107/21 square root of 21. So continue with the next video and continue to improve your skill in mathematics. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will meet in another lesson. Bye.